going to lower the income tax, they would make it to where we would have a little bit more money for all the households and everything like that.
Governor McMaster telling a Greenville audience he wants a tax cut in his next budget.
He made those remarks in front of upstate business and community leaders at the 10 at the Top luncheon in Greenville today.
7 News reporter Ann Maxwell standing by with more on what the governor is asking for and what it would really mean and for a person's bottom line.
Gordon, the governor said he wants to see the income tax rate lowered from 7% to 6%, and this isn't the first time he's pushed for this.
Governor McMaster's proposal to lower income taxes by 1 percentage point would mean the average household in Greenville County making about $54,000 a year would save about $540 on their annual tax bill.
I think it'd be good, since it's helping everybody, save money.
State Representative Bruce Bannister said the move would bring the Palmetto State more in line with tax rates across the Southeast.
The states around us are lowering their income taxes for the purposes of attracting citizens. We've got to stay competitive.
At the same time, the move would reduce revenue by about $565 million a year. We asked Bannister if that would result in higher taxes elsewhere. He said it depends on what the state's goals are.
If you didn't want to drop state revenue by that amount of money, you would have to raise taxes somewhere else. And people have talked about increasing the sales tax, decreasing the exemptions that are available on sales tax, and sort of adjusting what is and isn't taxed.
Governor McMaster also asked the General Assembly for this 1% drop in income tax over a 5-year period in his executive budget last year, but it didn't pass. A spokesperson with the governor's office said they are optimistic that this year's increased revenue will encourage lawmakers to support the governor's proposal in 2020.
And the governor is planning on asking for that increase in his executive budget in January, but state lawmakers would still have to approve it. From 7 on Main, Ann Maxwell, 7 News.
And thanks, the state is projecting more than $1 billion in additional revenue next year.